Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. In this video, we are going to see some courses which is provided by Android developers. These all courses are based on Kotlin. Kotlin is the new language, new official programming language for Android development. And now they offers 4 free courses based on Kotlin programming languages and also for Android development. Now we are going to see what this courses are. First is Android Basics Introduction to Kotlin. Android Basics Create your first Android app is the second. Android Basics Build a basic layout is the third, and last is Android Basics Add a button to an app. You can see the activities shown at the top. Total 4 to 5 activities are there. These courses are not too big. If you invest your 1 hour in one course, then you complete and get your badges. You can know more about Android and its developers by the references given here. And after that, we are back on the top, and here is Kotlin Basics for Android. We are going to start this course. This is the first course of these 4. Total 5 activities are there. Now I am going to explore. Just tap on explore for opening this course, and the first thing you need to do is sign in. Sign in through your Google account. Another account, Gmail account, social media accounts are not valid. You need a Gmail account, a Google account, valid Google account. For it, just tap on sign in. Here is the course. You can see the course. Total 5 activities are there. The last activity is your quiz. Also, third and fourth activities is related to the labs, where Android developers provide you a interface where you code in a Kotlin language. So there is no need to other softwares, third-party softwares. Only you need to sign in this course, and after that you doesn't need any software. Just tap on sign in, and after sign in, I sign in through my Google account. There are 4 tracks and 1 quiz. One more thing is remain, that is create a profile. Just tap on create a profile to complete your profile. When you tap on it, there is no need to give more information. They automatic takes your Google account information, and after you get your first badge here. You earn the created developer profile badge. When you create a profile and sign in this Android developers, you get your first badge. Just tap on view your profile. So you get all the badges here. Google.dev, Google.dev beta version is here. Here you need to sign in. When you signed in, please sign in with your the same account which you used at the Android developers, and just tap on view your profile. When you tap on view your profile, there are 2 badges you gain here. Here I am going to show you my 2 badges. Here are 2 badges, all badges. First is Google Dev Beta User, the first badge, and second is Created Developer Profile. This is the badge which I earned from Android developer. When you sign in, you get the first badge, and when you complete it, you get a very handsome badge. If you want course completion badge of this Android Basics Introduction to Kotlin, then please watch the video I will upload at today evening. And here there are 4 tracks are there, and at the last there is a quiz. Now I am going to open here. You can see take a code lab. Here you also there is a code lab where you get an interface to coding. But if you go through the first one, then you also learn from it, because there is little bit difference from Kotlin and Java, because Kotlin is a modern language and it is very user friendly than Java. Kotlin contains many predefined functions. Java also have some predefined functions, but here you get many predefined function, and also these are very easy to learn. Now I am going to start. Here is welcome to Android Basics to Kotlin, and the most special thing you get here is all the instructors are also an Android developer. I hope you will join. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching.